Toyota is adding yet another SUV to its lineup, which will wear the Crown Signia nameplate. As a crossover sibling to the Crown sedan, it replaces the Venza as Toyota's two-row midsize offering. A hybrid powertrain is the only choice. The Crown Signia provides more luxurious interior finishings than other Toyota models and promises more space and capability, including towing, than the Venza. So, let's look at 10 things you need to know before buying the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. Lurking beneath the Crown Signia's sculpted bonnet lies a hybrid engine. Toyota's powertrain breathing fire through 4 cylinders of 2.5 liters displacement in a trio of electric motors. This fusion of forces summons a formidable 243 ponies to its stable. Toyota's Crown sedan, which has a similar all-wheel drive hybrid setup, clocked 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds. Respectable but not blazing for this premium segment. So, do other features make up for it? We'll see. The Crown Signia, the latest jewel in the Toyota Crown's US regalia, vows a more refined performance courtesy of the standard Toyota hybrid system. This fresh addition draws its vigor from a 2.5-liter DOHC 4-cylinder engine. While the jury is still out on its crashworthiness, Toyota has armored the Crown Signia with a phalanx of safety tech. Automatic emergency braking stands ready to screech the Signia to a halt, while lane-keeping assist gently nudges it back between the white-lined trenches. Adaptive cruise control maintains a respectful distance, and blind spot monitoring keeps a vigilant eye on the Crown's flanks. The usual array of Toyota's Safety Sense features forming an impenetrable bastion. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 arrives as a standard issue on all trims. The pre-collision system with pedestrian detection is an ever-watchful sentinel, while lane departure alert with steering assist is a gentle course corrector. Full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control helps with velocity, and lane tracing assist deftly navigates the vehicular maze. Road sign assist reads the road signs, and the automatic high beams illuminate night driving. The advanced technology package stands ready for those who crave an additional layer of fortification. Traffic jam assist deftly navigates the automotive quagmire. Front cross traffic alert scans for unseen hazards, and the panoramic view monitor with 360-degree overhead view and curve view eliminates blind spots. Toyota's Star Safety System, a constellation of safeguards that includes enhanced vehicle stability control, traction control, and smart stop technology, further enhances the driving experience. With sculpted body lines, sleek roofline, and oversized grille, the Crown Signia certainly looks like the premium SUV part. The styling is considerably more upscale and eye-catching than Toyota's other crossovers. It's sporty with an alluring aesthetic from the 21-inch wheels, bold geometric front grille, and slim headlights. So, are they looking to compete with their sister's nameplates, the Lexus? It may seem so, but there's talk of diversifying the Crown badge. The body lines inject adventure, which may indicate a particular direction that Toyota is taking for its Crown nameplate. After all, the name Crown has always been a byword for taste and sophistication, and the 2025 Crown Signia lives up to it. However, you can see the brand's hammerhead fascia. They don't trail so far away from their familiar territory. Inside the Crown Signia delivers a dose of luxury with high-end materials, soft-touch surfaces, and an attractive overall design reminiscent of its sedan counterpart. You've seen this styling before, but from where? Ah yes, the Toyota Crown midsize sedan. According to some reviewers, the whole interior is understated, with the visual appeal coming from the gentle curves. You'll see some copper-colored inserts in the cabin to add good taste. The high-end limited trim boasts appointments for available caramel leather upholstery, but it's only on the front row. An extension to the back row would have worked well with the soft-touch materials, only Toyota knows why they didn't. The rear legroom and cargo space behind the second row look generous too, but some may feel the back seat is a bit confined because of the slim windows. You have a long cargo area and a fold-flat second row for all the items you need for the out-of-town business trip. A massive 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and a digital gauge cluster of the same size are standard. The screen should be user-friendly, and Toyota's multimedia systems should be typically intuitive. At the command center, a diminutive gear stub stands proudly, enveloped by glimmering E-bomb plastic. Marching ahead, a wireless charging pad beckons, its slim vertical embrace cradling smartphones in an unobtrusive cocoon. Your devices are out of sight. Nearby, twin USB-C ports are ever ready to slake the thirst of power-hungry devices. Your second-row passengers have access to USB-C ports and dual air vents, so there's no reason they shouldn't enjoy fully charged devices while on the go. Or is there? A volume knob sits at the center of the dash and on top of the physical HVAC controls. The XLE adds a 6-speaker stereo, but you get a JBL 11-speaker stereo when you upgrade to the Limited. As a premium SUV, the Signia is expected to have a refined ride. Toyota says that the hybrid SUV will transform the ride into a serene space for all passengers. Considering the spacious and luxurious cabin, it's hard to discount these claims. The brand adds that the SUV blends sedan handling and comfort with good road performance and sufficient SUV cabin space to deliver something unique for everyone. It shares the Toyota new global architecture platform with its Crown sedan sibling for minimal curbing vibration and noise intrusion. No EPA numbers yet, but given the Crown Signia's hybrid setup, we'd expect impressive real-world miles per gallon in the high 30s or even low 40s combined. Toyota says that the preliminary EPA tests give the Signia 36 miles per gallon and also adds that drivers will be pleased with the addition of electric on-demand all-wheel drive. If you're an eco-conscious driver, the Eco mode will help you maximize the gas mileage and play your part in saving the planet. For a premium midsize crossover, that's stellar, no? Here's where things get interesting. Toyota is aiming for the premium market with estimated pricing starting around $45,000 for the base XLE and over $52,000 for the loaded limited trim. Those are serious luxury SUV prices. The estimates are based on the fact that the XLE and limited trim will take you back more than the Crown sedan. All indications are that the pricing is headed that way. You'd expect the Crown Signia to offer decent capability for light-duty trailer hauling, given its size and hybrid powertrain torque. Some reports mention a 2,700-pound towing capacity. If that's the case, then that's more than enough for sporting equipment, bikes, and trailers. What's your excuse not to go for an adventure over the weekend? Toyota provides a fairly average 3-year or 36,000-mile basic and 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. But there are 2 years or 25,000 miles of complimentary maintenance, which is a nice perk.